Oh well, I keep forgetting he ain't put my damn glue down. I can't be mad because he ain't my glue ain't down. But it is a good race, y'all. That old 10-speed in that thing, he got it working, man. That boy shifted on time every time. Dang, I do know I can get him though. I can get him. Dang, I wanted to get him that time though. Wanted to get him that time. Man, he crunk now here. He didn't want that shit funny. Oh snap. Let me put my selfie stick back on, man. Dang, man, I gotta. Y'all seen that just that fast? One little old. You would say a mistake. Let me see. Let me see. Come on, baby. Oh no, not like that. Okay, like that. Yeah, I ain't tripping. I don't take the. I don't take. You win some, you lose some. Oh, dang! I done left the charge in the door. I know it. We gonna run again. Yeah, man. Oh boy, didn't put my glue down right. You know Yello Belly don't play with it really out there glue. I tried to really mash it to the floor that time. Yeah, it just straight went into a little old spin, but it was trying to grip. It was trying to grip, but it wasn't. I couldn't grip fast enough. I was like, oh, it's still. I had left on him, I think. I felt like I was in front. I was looking over there at him like, oh, that's this good. Like I might still get him. But on shoot, as we kept on getting down there and we was shifting, his stuff went on and came through, man. He came through. I'm gonna get him next time. And the lights messed up again.
Man, you lost, man.
Yeah.
Man,
I lost.
Came on. I ain't got paid and shit.
Oh, my light came on.
Light came on.
Oh man. Oh damn, I lost, man. I lost. I understand.
You got video?
Yeah, I got the video.
Play it back.
Yeah.
Play it back.
He won.
Play it back.
He won, yeah.
Run that shit back, man.
He won.
Hey, play it back.
He won.
What we got off for?
Video.
He even said,
Yeah. Man, hey, I'm sorry. I don't be lying. I can't remember them that good no more, man. I quit lying. I had quit lying, man. I can't. I understand. It sounds like it's gonna keep coming on here. It's all off. Yeah, he got me half a car up top, man. Hey, call Street Outlaws. It was too close. We gotta go to the tape. We gotta go to the tape. Yeah, we gotta go to the tape, y'all. Yeah, I'll run them again. It's a good race. It's a good race.
You can.
I was spinning. You see it spin a little bit. I can get them though. No, just a half.
But you went big. Your light came on.
Yeah.
Yes, you won.
Your light came on, said you won. So that's how I lost last time because this light came on when I raced that. Okay, well you get on this side.
Yeah, the light came
on this side.
Yeah, the sensor messed up.
Y'all race again. He said he ready. Y'all race again. Come on.
I'll run them again. Hold on, man. Let me see. I guess all it need is glue. I'll run them again. Yeah, come on. I'll run them again because all I need is some glue. Nah, I had the camera all out the way this time. I had the camera in the window, not bothering me. Everything was good. When I stumped that mug, it spent a little bit.
Yeah, it did.
It spent a little bit, and I couldn't.
Like you rushed.
Man, I was trying, but hell, after that damn 10-speed, I can't catch that. My shit went. Whoa.
The green light came on.
He talking like that. I bring out.
Let me see something.
That good. Run him. Run him on
Hennessy and blunts got caught up. Man, my shit was spinning. I thought I was in front a little bit.
Yeah, you
know why you spinning? Look, he put glue on the backside and then glue on the
that's what I
front
said. That's what I said. That's why I was spinning right there.
Right there. He put glue on the backside and glue on the front.
See, I told y'all. He said, you know why you was spinning? Because he put glue on the backside. Yeah, that's what happened, y'all. I thought everybody was a glue man. Hell, I thought shit, they see it enough, they can do it, but I see not. That ain't true. Oh, Trent trying to work that little thing. I like the way that thing be moving, man. My Twitch views going there. What's up? Come at me, bro. What's up, Ron Wayne? Q say I'm gonna learn one day. Hell, I just gave it to the nearest person that I seen.
You like that?
won.
Well, they still talking about I won, y'all. What y'all want me to do? Lie? No, that still ain't enough for blackjack. It's gonna be hard to it's gonna be hard for an old motor to whoop an LS motor, especially blackjacks. Huh? What happened? Everything good?
Everybody sleep. What's up?
Yeah, they didn't sleep.
What's up, blood? Right?
No, I'm good.
Your blood?
I'm thinking you initiating or what? I ain't neither one of them motherfuckers. I know them though. We all cool. There's one dude at the rednecks with paychecks. He gonna ask me, hey man, what do you think about all the Confederate flags that you see? I said, man, I don't give a damn. That's their gang, man. Just represent your clique. I don't give a damn, man. That's your clique. Yeah, don't mess with me. I don't. He said, go on by.
I know what it stands for.
Yeah.
He
said, I know y'all ganged up. Yeah, man. Look, one of my other subscribers talking about,